So it's Sunday afternoon, May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. So we set off last Sunday around about 6 o'clock. So this is probably just about a week since Janet took ill. And there she is, sat in a corner, well, slumped in a corner.
And yeah, I still am getting horrendous headaches, stiff neck and cramps, and I have no idea why.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Luckily, the sickness feeling has gone. Occasionally I do think, and that's it. It's vanished, so I have no idea what's wrong. There's something there triggering, but
Well, we'd arrived in Amble. Now I know I said I wasn't going to come to Amble this year, but you know, needs must. But it is beautiful. The River Coquette takes you up to the marina through the harbour entrance. After a beautiful day, it's ended with a bang. We've just got a thunderstorm going on across Amble, and I've cooled it down. So the current plan is well, it's bank holiday, so the weather's pretty poor.
and we are in Amble, and it's always windy when we come to Amble.
Yeah, well, we've got north winds at the moment, sea state's whipped up, so we're going to wait for that to subside, which according to the current forecast, Tuesday/Wednesday next week. It could be Wednesday, or we'll see if we can make a move, and whether we make a move all the way back to Hartlepool, or we have got a couple of options we can take on the way down. We could either call into Blythe, or carry on down to Royal Quays at North Shields, before making the final push back to Hartlepool. Rudder wise, yeah, I found a little bit of a problem, which was an easy fix, so that's sorted, but we still need to lift Baru, and I need to check the skeg bearing. I'd definitely renew the top bush, which I'll have to make. I might look shattered. Whew. Yeah, we're just waiting for the tally, and then we'll leave Amble. Amble?
Amble.
Amble. We're in Amble. So how long have we been in Amble?
5, 7 days, 8 days. I ain't got a clue. I don't even know what day it is.
Yeah, it's yeah, we've been here a week, 7 days.
Okay.
So,
Oh,
and it's Tuesday. No, it's not. It's
I
Wednesday.
ain't got a clue. I have no idea.
Yeah, it's Wednesday morning. So, plan is, I think, to head to Royal Keys. We'll give them a phone call once we're underway. Okay. Hey? So we've been in Amble for a week, a full week. What did we do? Not a lot. We were there mainly waiting for the bad weather to clear. The bad weather we'd predicted would come. It came about a day later than we were expecting, but that's probably because we were a lot further south than we should have been. I think what was clear, Janet wasn't up to the journey. She wouldn't have been up to the journey going through the canal. It would have been the cascade locks that would have been the major problem for us. So, given her condition, I think the decision to continue heading back home was correct. I did think, oh, now I found that little problem with the rudder. Still got an issue, but hey, can we carry on? But no. I think it was right for us to turn back and head home. Well, not a lot to report. We're in Royal Keys. Journey down started off nicely. Not a lot of wind, just a gentle northeasterly breeze. We had a northeasterly swell, round about 0.8-ish. But as we progressed, we got off over Durridge Bay, which is usually our nemesis, without any issues. We sailed down most of that slowly, very slowly, but we had a point of sail, so we sailed, but then passing between New Begin and Blythe, the wind sort of dropped away again a little bit, but the swell got up, and as we progressed on down to the Tyne entrance, the swell was over one, definitely over 1 metre, and there were some that were quite short duration as well at that, so it was quite a rolly end to the day. Janet fared well, so she's getting back to her normal self. She's still not right, but we had no repeat of the episodes that we saw when we went north, so that's good. Rudder situation, it's improved, but not right. We had a northeasterly sea following us, and as it got stronger, as the waves came up, I could feel it. It's moving. I could feel it under my feet, and the autopilot does struggle then to keep control. But I can definitely feel movement there. And when I put my hand on the rudder shaft, you can feel it. So my gut feel to say, no, let's stop and let's take it easy coming down. Then we can get somewhere where we can lift and fix it. It's not going to be a difficult fix, it's bushes, so it just wants some delving. Well, it's Thursday morning, we're in Royal Keys, setting off back to Hartlepool today. So one of the issues with the rudder is this top bush. It's only a piece of plastic, it's a piece of nylon. I'm going to replace that with Delrin Acetyl C, which is ideal for rudder bushes. I've got, it's hard to detect, but there's movement there that shouldn't be there, and it's starting to show signs of degrading. "10 miles to go." One and a half at this speed.